Step into the 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 4.8-liter V8 engine, 4WD type, part-time, air conditioning, automatic transmission, bed length, 78.7, clock, in radio display, cruise control and daytime running lights. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.